of the things I absolutely love about this home is just the curb appeal. When you drive up, it is gorgeous. This is the largest floor plan in the estate collection. I love the fact that it's 5 bedrooms, 5.5 bathrooms, and it has amazing views with an incredible yard, with a great backyard, with pool and fire pit and all sorts of good stuff.
One of the best floor plans you're gonna see in the backyard is just phenomenal. Outdoor kitchen, pool, and just a ton of space to entertain. Nice big driveway, 4-car garage, end of a cul-de-sac, plenty of parking for guests around here.
You have a man gate guard, you have beautiful views of the Cleveland National Forest. It is a spectacular place to call home.